Welcome, keyboard enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards. From satisfying clicky switches to vibrant RGB lighting, get ready to explore the best keyboards of 2024. Let's find the perfect match for your typing style and level up your setup together. Asus ROG Strix Scope II 96. The first product is the ROG Strix Scope II 96 from Asus. In my extensive experience, the Asus ROG Strix Scope II 96 Wireless is the finest gaming keyboard I've come across in a very long time. The Scope II 96 Wireless is the greatest all-around gaming keyboard, but there are other quicker, smarter, and significantly less expensive boards that still provide a ton of functionality. Part of the reason for such is lubricated switches, indeed oiled switches. I'm quite happy that this has moved from enthusiast to mainstream boards. Many PC gamers won't have bothered to remove every key switch and add lubricant to make it thwomp decent, but the Scope II 96 comes with freshly lubed switches right out of the factory, so you don't have to worry about the nasty details. A little lubrication goes a long way. As you type, each key clicks into position with a satisfyingly light clack and then effortlessly returns to its original position. And with an actuation force of 45 G, the ROG NX Snow switches are your typical linear key switch. G.SKILL USB KM360. The G.SKILL USB KM360 comes next. The pinnacle of keyboards, mechanical keyboards are typically expensive, especially when compared to membrane keyboards. And this G.SKILL KM360 offers a Cherry MX red typing experience in a tankless, fuss-free format at an affordable price. Its 5-level white LED illumination adds extra vibrancy to the keyboard's design and causes the white letters to explode with light, giving the keys a glow. The KM360's design is also noteworthy due to the keycap's angled shape. Each row seems to be leveled at a different angle from the profile view, which is intended to improve comfort and naturalness when typing. In addition, it is loaded with Cherry MX red switches, which are renowned for having a linear feel and dropping straight through without any bumps or tactile sensation until you reach the bottom. They activate at 2 mm and have a 4 mm travel. The only key that doesn't utilize this switch is the spacebar. All other keys use a Cherry MX black switch. All things considered, it's difficult, if not impossible, to find a mechanical keyboard at this price range that has a well-known brand. The G.SKILL KM360 defies convention with its effective 10-keyless design. Mountain Everest 60. The Mountain Everest 60 RGB gaming keyboard is the next product on our list. This Mountain Everest 60 is just as adorable, just as functional, and has all the enthusiast keyboard extras you could ask for as the other 60% of the competition. More importantly though, it is completely functional enough to serve as your daily driver of a keyboard. Unlike its larger sibling, the Mountain Everest Max, the Everest 60 lacks modularity. However, it does have a hot-swappable dedicated numpad that may be purchased separately. It will also attach to both sides of the board, which is crucial in my opinion. You're just not doing it correctly if you're still using the numpad on the right side of your gaming keyboard. The main advantage of a smaller keyboard is that it puts your mouse and WSAD hands closer together. You can still use the extra buttons and desktop space for your gaming rodent by moving the numpad to the left. Also, it's also convenient when navigating a well-designed spreadsheet. Keychron K4 Pro. The Keychron K4 Pro comes next. This Keychron K4 Pro is a solid mechanical keyboard with a 96% layout that is reasonably priced. There is a choice between a wired connection via a USB-C cable or wireless Bluetooth. Up to 3 separate Bluetooth devices can be paired with the K4 Pro, and switching between them is simple and only requires pressing a key. An ARM Cortex-M4 32-bit CPU and QMK firmware, which allow the keyboard to be extensively programmed so keys could be remapped if needed, are at the core of the Keychron K4 Pro. You can use VIA software or the Google Chrome browser to visit the VIA website to program the K4 Pro. Switch replacement is a simple process that just requires using the switch puller tool included in the package to remove any broken switch. Almost any 3-pin or 5-pin MX-style mechanical switch, including those made by well-known brands like Cherry, Gateron, Kyle, and Panda, can be used with the K4 Pro without the need for a soldering iron. To improve typing, the K4 Pro has also undergone a complete internal engineering and design overhaul. The added sound-absorbing foam, a thick silicone dampening bottom pad, and steel plate provide responsive feedback and a peaceful typing sound. IROK FE98 Pro. The IROK FE98 Pro comes next. This keyboard stands out for its diverse features and customized possibilities. One notable feature is the hot-swappable mechanical switch, which gives users the ability to customize the keyboard's feel to suit their tastes. The ABS material used in the ergonomic ladder keycaps preserves their attractive appearance while improving comfort. The RGB backlighting, boasting 16.8 million color options, is easily customizable through the IROK driver, adding a vibrant touch to your setup. Functionality-wise, the complete anti-ghosting keyboard guarantees a smooth experience with 98 conflict-free keys and a soundproof silicone pad that both softens the touch and reduces typing noise. With a 10-meter range, 2.4G wireless technology offers consumers freedom without sacrificing performance. On top of that, the keyboard's 2 operating modes, wired via Type-C cable and wireless, allow it to be used in a variety of situations, including gaming, working from home, and office work. All things considered, the IROK FE98 Pro is a feature-rich and flexible keyboard that blends comfort, customization, and functionality, making it a good option for customers looking for a highly customizable and pleasurable typing or gaming experience. RisoPhy. Finally, there is the RisoPhy mechanical gaming keyboard. For gamers and typists looking for a responsive and pleasant typing experience, this keyboard is an appealing choice. For those who like tactile feedback, the clicky keys with blue switches offer improved accuracy and quicker reaction times, in addition to producing a pleasing click sound. In addition to adding flair to your setup, its rainbow backlighting function with 9 various lighting modes, adjustable speed, and brightness settings also improves vision in darkened surroundings and creates an immersive gaming ambiance. The double-injection ABS keycaps not only ensure durability, but also provide clear and uniform backlighting, aiding typing accuracy in low-light conditions. The keyboard provides comfort and simplicity of use with 104 full-size keys and a win-lock mechanism to prevent typing errors during intense gaming sessions. Pluggable keycaps make cleaning easier, and their smart design and hydrophobic holes guard against spill damage, offering an extra layer of resilience. Besides that, its 12 multimedia shortcuts provide easy access to a variety of tasks, enhancing productivity, and the 100% anti-ghosting technology guarantees that every keystroke is recognized, even while typing quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.